After your biosafety cabinet is cleaned and the sample has been eluted and pH adjusted, you are ready for secondary concentration. As always, don your personal protective equipment, including a lab coat and gloves. Disinfect the biosafety cabinet using your lab's approved methods such as Oxivir or Virkon, followed by UV. Line the biosafety cabinet with bench paper in case of any spills. Add the following items to your biosafety cabinet: your 5% skimmed milk solution, 5 molar hydrochloric acid, 5 molar sodium hydroxide, 10 milliliters of sterile phosphate buffered saline at pH 7.4, pH strips with a range of 2.0 to 9.0, parafilm, pipette aid, 1 10 milliliter pipette, 6 50 milliliter conicals for centrifuging your sample. Finally, collect your sample from storage at 4 degrees Celsius.